category. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the red corner, representing CTR 313J, Muhammad Zulkifli. Representing TBK Fight Team, Johari Daniel Gray.
Stepping through the smoke like a sermon I preach. You've been talking on the nail, caps, no teeth. I've been bleeding on the mat, that's the proof underneath. You want easy, I want everything they said I can get. You want comfort, I want sweat on the floor in the bed. Every note that you do turns back in my chest. Now I walk like a problem you can't digest. I got never no sleep, never no sleep.
Lagi tak lu ah. Bukan first pelik orang punya. Lagi.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are in our third round of our main card here in Mega Fight Night. Our next fight is in the catchweight under 68 kilogram category. Ladies and gentlemen, our next fight is a boxing matchup sanctioned by the Persekutuan Tinju Malaysia. Brought to you by TKO and Zen Garden. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the red corner. This man here, he stands at 29 years of age, representing CTR 313J from Kelantan, Malaysia, Muhammad Zulkifli. And his opponent in the blue corner, this man here, he is 27 years of age, representing TBK Fight Team from Selangor, Malaysia, Johari Daniel Gray. When action begins, your referee in charge, referee Zawawi. Listen. Shah, is it just me or do we here have like a lot of Johari fans here, right?
Yeah, saya rasa fan Johari ni dia mostly banyak perempuan sebab dia handsome lah. Kan, betul tak?
Betul, sangat handsome kan?
Macam bias lah sebab dia handsome dia orang suka kan?
Bias lah.
Okay, be back to the
action,
okay. Alright, nampaknya Johari make a move first. Oh, counter by Lani
Oh, nice straight punches by Johari though.
Oh. Whoa, gosh! Gosh! Go!
Daripada sini saya tengok Lani punya tangan macam berat.
Boleh gosh! Boleh!
Tapi Johari punya punches more fast. Laju.
I feel that Lani has to time those punches properly, especially if he wants to parry those punches, right?
Yes.
Oh! Masuk sekejap.
Because you tengok Johari punya tangan is not always on the chin dia suntuk, dia counter senang tau, dia cepat, very fast tau, see ni.
Come on lah.
So very relaxed, okay?
Okay, yeah, Shah, you're right. I do see it now.
Yeah. When he close and then dia punya hands up. And then when he control distance and going low. That's
Go, boleh, go.
Nice jump passes by Johari.
fast recovery daripada Johari.
I like how Johari is actually using his jabbing hands just to push the other way, right?
Lani.
Oh, and look at that, he circles right out there.
Yeah.
Good job, Lani.
Lani, go.
Jab macam go through jab kau. Dia ikan tu.
Let's go.
You know today what is cross jabs at least understand you.
The jab and then the push. So they go through punches.
I understand you. Thanks for that. Nice cross to the body.
Go, Lani, push.
Oh, that was a clean hook to the body for Johari, huh?
Ya, betul-betul masuk tu. Yang tu masuk. Oh.
Go, Lani.
Lani tangan ni dah kat bawah dah. Penat ke?
But whatever Lani is doing is currency working, right?
Actually as a fighters, bila fight punya masa dia jadi berbeza sikit. You lebih cepat penat daripada you sparring atau training. Am I right?
Yes, correct. Because without that we have a lot of pressure, and because usually sparring and fighting are two different things.
Yeah. Because in the ring, adrenaline control the thing.
And not to mention the crowd as well, right?
And then crowd pun memainkan peranan penting sebenarnya. How to control the adrenaline.
Go, Lani, go.
Dekat sini ada crowd Johari ke? Ada crowd Johari? Crowd Lani!
Let's understand. Lani,
Wow.
Johari. Okay, I don't know anymore. But alright, now let's focus our action back in the ring, okay, Jah?
Okay, you rasa apa yang fundament Johari akan berkata si Johari? So what the next game? You rasa.
I think just from the looks of it, they just want him to keep on hitting those three punches. You know, those jabs. It's like touch jabs, you know?
Oh yeah. I think the same thing.
Alright, it looks like round 2 start already. Let's focus back on that.
Johari nampak lebih semangat second round ni Johari nampak lebih energetic. Mungkin ada.
Oh, that was a nice one.
Nice.
Looks like they just want to brawl right now, huh?
Good.
Another clean body hook.
Yang body hook betul-betul masuk tu.
Nice overhand by Johari. But
Johari ni betul-betul relax dia sambil tersenyum dia. Dia rasa dia dominan lah game. Okay. Kat sini Lani. Counter.
right, you know.
Fight macam ni yang kita suka. Dia enjoy in the ring while diorang hit each other kan, tapi still enjoy.
It looks like they're just probably like doing what they usually do
Yeah.
in the gym, right? It looks like a little bit of hard sparring match. Don't you think so?
Ya, soalnya sparring 50-50 kan. Yang ni sparring
sakit lah.
tapi yang ni sakit. Nampak macam slow tapi kuat Ini second round, kita ada lagi masa 1 minit 30 saat lagi guys.
One thing I just have to highlight,
Go, Lani, go.
fighters as Lani and Johari are doing exchanges in their combos, right?
Yes.
Are they like what they got and what are they good at? Which combos are they specifically good at?
Yeah, because if one person attack and then the counter straight away. He can trade punches.
Go, Lani, go.
Oh, tengok. Lani. Oh!
Nice shots by Johari.
Daripada tadi Lani saya pegang kepala dia. Saya daripada sini saya tak berapa nampak. Betul ke pegang kepala dia? Kan?
Saya betul tak boleh nampak sebab angle dia macam off sikit tu ai.
From my angle and lens kita tak berapa nampak dia punya hit kat situ.
Tapi ni judges are better view. You know over there.
Yes.
Set of judges right there.
Betul. Last 20 second guys. This is round 2. Macam round 1 lah Lens. Diorang tak penat langsung.
It looks like they still have a lot of energy left in
Yeah.
them, right?
Saya tengok Johari dah tengok masa dah tu. Oh. Apakah maksudnya? Johari tengok masa. Kalau saya, okay. Right. Second round habis dah. Yang ni saya tak tahu nak cakap. Both sama, Lani and Johari. Nasib baik saya bukan judges tau. Kalau saya jadi judges lah, saya tak tahu lah.
I will be so stressful too, Shah. But since we were at the final round, Shah, what do you think the coaches are telling both Lani and Johari?
I think kalau you tanya I rasa Conor Man still do the same. Dia akan cakap, buat benda yang sama. It works for you.
Are you talking about both fighters or
Yeah,
just one?
both fighters.
Both fighters?
For me lah, I rasa lah. Kalau I jadi Conor Man, tadi okay ni, you buat benda sama je, cantik-cantik. Yang ni dia akan bergantung dengan crowd lah. Kalau crowd yang lagi bising tu lagi bagi semangat. So ada crowd Johari dah kat sini, crowd Johari ada tak? Okay, macam mana dengan crowd Lani?
Let's go!
Dua-dua sama-sama berat.
Guys, same energy,
Ya,
same vibe.
okay, sekarang
So now up to both the fighters.
sekarang it's up to both of the fighters. Last round guys, kick off.
Wow, look at those shots.
Oi, betul lah. Wow.
Go, Lani! Lani, go, Lani!
Look, what's that both are just having fun right there, Shah.
They're very enjoying on the ring. Masih lagi kekerasan jab. Sebab jab is very fast.
Yes, correct. And he's just pacing, touching, get out, touching out, touch out.
Go, Lani, go!
Shah, I don't know about you, but I like this kind of fight. Both of them are just smiling and just having fun inside there, right? I like watching fights like these.
Untuk kita tengok dia senyum, dia macam enjoy the fight. Tapi untuk Lani itu macam reverse psychologist lah. Dia ni senyum-senyum pula, aku belasah pula kau kan. And then dia straight forward masuk, and dia kena counter. Bahaya tu tau kan. Dia bermain mental strategies. Wush, good. Wush. Dia macam hunting tau. Good uppercut. Very, very good uppercut. Tengok. Dia still senyum. Itu dia punya strategi tu.
Oh, nice right uppercut by Lani.
Yang ni memang susah lah. Nasib baik saya bukan judges lah, Lens.
Aku tak nak jadi judge sekarang. Okay, Shah, we have less than 1 minute into the fight. What do you think is going to happen next, Shah?
I think this is the time when the fighter kena all out. Sebab tinggal 45 saat
Lagi, Lani! Lagi, Lani!
Crowd, do you think crowd? Support your favorite fighters.
Lagi, Lani!
Lani!
Last 30 second crowd.
Lani, go, Lani! Lani! Lani, go!
Go, Lani, go!
Guys, we have less than 20 seconds left. Let's cheer for Lani or Johari, guys. Come on.
Lani, go!
Guys, come on, guys! Fighters!
And time.
Siap. Debut main bukan main beratnya.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight has gone 3 rounds into the judges' scorecard for a decision. The judges have scored this contest 29-28, 29-28, and 30-27, declaring your winner by way of unanimous decision from the blue corner, Johari Tanagre.
Stepping through the smoke like a sermon I preach. You've been talking on the